My name is Anudatta Dias. Some of you might know me from the sports arena, and I'm also an owner of one of the electronics firm in this country. And I was looking for a solar system since the bills generally started going up, electricity bills started going up, and then I wanted a kind of a zero electricity bill. So I was looking for a solar system to assist me in that. And then I was looking for recommendations, but I didn't get any solid recommendations. But in the meantime, I was going through the Facebook, and then I found this company and I contacted them. Since I have a knowledge of electronics, I contacted them, and they were very helpful, and their after sales, like their customer service was excellent actually. And from the time they came, they took over our sales operation. They were very good. They came and they sort of had started they came home and they looked at all the things, and then they calculated and they gave me the correct capacity to have, and according to the budget I have, and it was excellent. And so from then onwards, I got them. I paid and got them to install the system, and they installed it. And also since they installed it, also they started coming and checking on my system. And in fact, they also have a follow-up system where they from their company they can check our system, and if it is for some reason, if it goes off, then they sort of inform us and say that there is something wrong, and then or they will come and attend to it. And service has been excellent, and I have had it for about 3 years now, and that has made my bill it's so easy for me to sort of pay my electricity bills, and that has sort of control my budgets and all that. So I will advise anybody who wants to go for a solar system to go with Entek Lanka, and you will have a different experience with them from the rest of the other companies. Right, thank you.